So hello everyone and welcome to today's video on numerical programming in a Python. I am Pratisha Thorat and I am excited to guide you through some essential concepts and techniques in a Python programming, especially focusing on numerical computation and data manipulation. In this video we will delve into a range of topics including string manipulation, algorithm efficiency, data analysis with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and optimizing code performance using coaching techniques. Whether you are a beginner looking for solidify your understanding of Python fundamentals or an experienced programming aiming to enhance your skills in numerical computing, this video has something for you. So let's dive and explore the fascinating world of numerical programming in Python. So let's get started. So I have chosen some questions, like question number 4: how do you reverse a string in a Python? So this question allows for a practical demonstration of a string manipulation in a Python, showcasing a common task and its implementation using slicing. So we can use here slicing with the use of -1. So next question, I'll choose the question number 10. So the question number 10 is, what is binary search and what is its time complexity? So binary search is a fundamental algorithm in a computer science, and explaining it provides an opportunity to discuss algorithmic efficiency and time complexity. And for binary search is an efficient search algorithm used to find the position of an target value within the sorted array. Its temporally complex is an 0 log n. So next question, we should choose what are some common NumPy functions. So this question provides a chance to introduce viewers to the capability of NumPy, a powerful library for numerical computing in a Python, and highlight some essential functions. So here are some functions like numpy.array. The np is the short form of NumPy. We import a NumPy as a np and then we use all these functions here, like NumPy array, arrange zeros, then ones, then line space, random land, and so on. So next question, what is the purpose of the apply function in a Pandas? So the apply function in Pandas is used to apply function along an axis of a data frame or series. It allows the custom operation to apply to each element, row or column of the data frame or a series. So at the fifth question, we are going for the question number 20. How does coaching in a Jobly work and what are some of the options for catching? So catching is an important concept in optimizing code performance, and explaining coaching in Jobly can provide insight into efficient computation and resource management. And you can also say that coaching in Jobly works by saving the results of functions called by the disk, allowing them to reuse without re-executing the function. Some options catching include using different catching backends like memory, disk, or distributed catching, and specifying catching parameters like the maximum catch size or the catch expression time. So that's all. There was a 5 question I have explained, and that's all. Thank you so much, Alma Better, for giving me this opportunity.